The fun's over though.
Oh.
Because the next round, this is where the big food tricks are going to get exposed. All right.
Okay.
So this is if you get past the test. All right. So we're going to go healthy versus healthy.
Okay.
All right. Let's see if we can pick it up. First thing comes to your head though. No thinking about it, trying to analyze it. All right.
No, it's not analyzing. I'm just thinking, oh my gosh, ew. They're both gross. Ew.
Ew. Ew. I'm talking about ice cream and soda. That's not ew. Okay,
How
ready?
sweet that stuff is. But go ahead.
Here we go. Would you rather start your day with a store-bought green juice or a homemade fruit smoothie?
A homemade fruit smoothie.
Hey, man, that was pretty quick. Would you rather have a granola bar every afternoon or a handful of raw nuts?
A handful of raw nuts.
Would you rather snack on baked veggie chips or fresh carrot sticks with hummus?
Fresh carrot sticks with hummus.
Would you rather eat plant-based burgers made from soy protein or homemade lentil burgers?
Oh, lentil burgers. Yum.
This is too easy for you. I thought maybe a little.
Oh, the other ones are hard.
Yeah. Would you rather drink a store-bought protein shake or eat a bowl of black beans and rice?
I eat black beans and rice.
Man, yeah. Well, you can tell where you're at and where we're at because most people kind of pick the wrong answer. They're like, oh, granola bar, or the green smoothie. But here's the thing is that if you know how these processed foods damage mitochondria, then you'll actually see that trap. And that's what you saw. You saw the trap I was making there for you. Okay, we're going to go another round, okay?
Okay.
Are you having fun?
I think so. Being told to choose poison or poison. That's not fun.